Hello, I am Mike Speed, Marketing Segment Director for DC-to-DC products at Fairchild Semiconductor. Today, engineers are searching for single supply, integrated buck regulator solutions which require minimal design space, high efficiency, high integration, simple design, and at times, external clock synchronization. Fairchild Semiconductor introduces the TinyBuck family of products, world-class in both efficiency and footprint, to allow designers to solve these challenges. The TinyBuck portfolio provides 3 amp, 4 amp, 6 amp, 8 amp, and 10 amp integrated DC-to-DC buck regulator solutions for applications that need very high efficiency in less space, all with a common footprint and pinout. The TinyBuck series can be used in general point-of-load applications. Typical examples would include step-down buck regulators for networking, set-top boxes, server, LCD TVs, graphic cards, and telecom systems. The TinyBuck series is a MCM regulator, a multi-chip module. Multi-chip modules are basically integrated versions of controller, driver, and 2 optimized MOSFETs combined in one thermally efficient package. Fairchild's leadership in MOSFET technology enables our TinyBuck portfolio to reduce both RDS(on) and gate charge, providing higher efficiency. The shielded gate technology reduces switching loss by 70% from conventional FET technologies. As an engineer, you know there are design challenges when using separate controller and discrete FETs. Here's an example of a discrete solution. The design challenges include achieving proper controller size to drive the FETs, correct FET selection to optimize efficiency, correct layouts to reduce parasitics, solution size issues, and thermal limitation issues for the load current being designed. The Fairchild TinyBuck portfolio of products can take you from this discrete implementation to this, a TinyBuck integrated solution. We see the TinyBuck on this demo board. It illustrates how Fairchild Semiconductor's portfolio of products solves these issues. The controller is optimally sized for driving the MOSFETs and optimized for protection against shoot-through. The TinyBuck integration reduces parasitics to reduce switching losses, noise, and EMI issues. MOSFET sizing has been optimized for efficiency, performance, cost, and footprint. And lower case temperatures are achieved due to reduced power losses. Let's take a look at some additional features of the TinyBuck family of products. The portfolio of products is capable of operating up to 600 kHz switching frequency, which enables the use of smaller inductors and ceramic capacitors. This overall allows for smaller footprint solutions. External compensation allows flexibility for implementing a wide variety of designs easily. External enable pin allows for easy sequencing of power supplies. The single input supply versions, FAN 21SV04 and 06, offer synchronizing capability between converters in a master-slave configuration or to an external clock. This minimizes the input capacitance required. Here, on the scope, you see a converter working at 400 kHz before an external clock signal is applied. As we apply an external clock signal of 600 kHz, you can see the converter synchronized to 600 kHz. Thermal performance is critical for efficiency of the design. Here's an example on this demo board. The regulator only has 70 degrees centigrade temperature rise at 10 amps of load current at 3.3 volts output. This refers not only to the low thermal resistance of the 5x6 regulator package, but also the reduction in losses, which allows us to meet greater than 90% efficiency. If we look at the TinyBuck family of products, you can see the whole family exhibits 95% efficiency at the 8 volts in and 3.3 volts output configuration. Online simulation tools like our TinyCalc make the designing process easy. It provides simple exercises to select external components to optimize for your specific design. Here with more is Shay Haniya.
Thanks, Mike. I'm the Application Manager for TinyBuck products at Fairchild Semiconductor. TinyCalc is located at fairchildsemi.com/TinyBuck. TinyCalc is an interactive tool that helps determine the external components needed for your design using one of the TinyBuck regulators. Once you have selected a regulator, all you need to do is input your design-related data. Once that is done, TinyCalc will walk you through inductor and output capacitor selection, compensation components and body plots, schematics and layouts, and loss estimates. The last step is the bill of materials. TinyCalc automatically supplies you with a list of component recommendations needed to complete your design. This is your bill of materials and you're ready to design. Mike?
Thanks, Shay. The TinyBuck family of products is world-class in both efficiency and footprint, allowing designers to solve specific regulator challenges. The TinyBuck series allows you to entertain a regulator solution that covers a broad input voltage range of 3 volts to 24 volts up to 10 amps of load current. TinyBuck provides for the smallest solution size. The controller and driver and optimized MOSFETs are in a compact 5x6 MLP package. It is designed to run up to 600 kHz to reduce filter components and allow the use of ceramic capacitors. And the single input supply versions, Fan 21 SV04 and 06, include an internal 5 volt bias generator and can be synchronized to an external clock. To find out more about this series of products, go to fairchildsimo.com/tinybuck. I'm Mike Speed. Thanks for joining us.